Many of you are opening a POD store and still struggling to make your first sale, or you're short on budget to get sales and want ways to get free customers. Well, don't worry about your sales skills. Today we'll break down some straightforward and simple tips to help you get sales for free. Talk with friends and family. Telling your family and friends about your new e-commerce store is a classic first sales technique. Even the best salespeople have used this method of increasing sales performance. You don't have to ask them to make a purchase directly or become sales reps. Encourage them to share a link or two on social media can be an easy way to get your brand exposure and kick off sales with your marketing activities. And Facebook groups. E-commerce business can use Facebook groups based on specific topics or niches. Listen to conversations with potential prospects, answer questions, and provide useful info with posts, videos, or articles. With your Facebook group, you are building connections with people. As you help other people out and create more engagement, they're going to support you and they are much more likely to go to your website, visit your article, share it, promote it, and even buy your products or services. Facebook is still the largest social media site with a reported 1.8 billion users per month. You can find the groups your target audience likes to hang out in, or even create your own to encourage sales and exclude competitors. Launched in 2016, TikTok has rapidly become one of the most popular social media platforms with over 1 billion active monthly users. To encourage sales on this short video platform, aim to keep the users engaged and don't apply undue pressure. According to the TikTok press release, content based on user interactions and video information are recommended by the algorithm. You can place your products within the video and direct people to go to your store to check out the products they saw. Email remains one of the most effective marketing tools. Collect as many email addresses as you can, such as current and prospective customers or website visitors. To get started, you need visitors to share the email with you. Here are a few ways to begin your subscribers list. First, offer something of value for signing up, and second, offer customers to opt in during checkout. And third, pop-up boxes that offer a discount. This social media giant has grown to over 1 billion users and 500 million active daily users. So this is the perfect place to get some quick early sales. And first, you should fill out your profile completely. Work out which hashtags your audience are following, and next post regularly with good visuals of your products and connect Instagram shoppable posts to streamline sales. You can interact with clients by offering discount codes and requesting feedback by DM. A blog attracts prospects to your sites that can become new customers. By sharing content these visitors find relevant and interesting, you can earn the customer's trust and start making sales. Focus on creating content like how-to blog posts, your process for shipping orders, and how you come up with new product ideas for showcasing customer testimonials. Blogs increase your SEO ranking and gain more free traffic. E-commerce sales are snowballing every year. With worldwide retail e-commerce sales over $4.3 trillion in 2020, and starting working on these tips to get sales for free and get your sales customer today. Alright guys, so that's all about today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.